Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a jailbroken PlayStation 4. Many users wonder if their modified console can run this popular game. It's important to clarify that Roblox is, in fact, officially available on PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 consoles. You can download it directly from the PlayStation Store without needing any special modifications. Therefore, jailbreaking your console is not required to access Roblox, as it's a standard application. Let's dive into how straightforward it is to get Roblox on your PlayStation 4. First, simply navigate to the PlayStation Store from your console's main menu. Once there, use the search function to find Roblox and select the official application. The download is free and typically around 2 to 3 gigabytes. After installation, launch the game, and you will have the option to sign in with an existing Roblox account or create a brand new one, connecting you to millions of players. Effective positioning is key to Kit's success. Always try to engage enemies from close range to maximize your claw combo's damage output. Utilize your pounce super strategically. Leaping onto a tanky ally can provide crucial healing and quickly recharge your super for another use. Conversely, pouncing on a squishy enemy can secure a swift elimination. Remember to save your cardboard box gadget for critical moments, whether it's to escape a dangerous situation or set up a perfect ambush. In conclusion, the safest and most reliable way to enjoy Roblox is through its officially supported platforms. Roblox provides full cross-platform support, allowing you to connect with friends whether they are playing on personal computers, mobile devices, Xbox, or PlayStation consoles. There is no need to consider unofficial or risky methods like jailbreaking your PlayStation 4, as Roblox is readily available and optimized for the console. Sticking to official channels ensures a stable, secure, and enjoyable gaming experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.